Hello everyone, welcome back to exploring our solar system. Today we're going to be in the fourth part of doing this, which is our home sweet home habitable planet, Earth. You've all been waiting for this. So now the last three episodes were about Sun, Mercury, and Venus. And you all know that by now. You can watch all the videos about that in the playlists. So now we're going to our home sweet home, Earth. Let's go to it. So Earth is the third planet from our sun, and it is the only planet in our solar system, in fact the only planet we know of that is capable of supporting multicellular marine and terrestrial life. Yes, I said that because there are some speculations if any of these, if Europa or Enceladus have subglacial life, but we don't know that. For now, this is the only planet we know that has life on it. So everyone knows some parts. We're going to tell you every stuff everyone knows for now. So it takes 24 hours to rotate this. It's orbiting 1 AU away, or 93 million miles away from the sun. It's 4.54 billion years. The sea's composition contains water and salt in it. And its atmosphere composition, you all know that by now, it's 77.8% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 0.93% argon, and 0.4% water vapor. And there's some CO2, neon, helium, CH4, krypton, hydrogen, and xenon for some reason. Actually, and this is the water, and there's 3.5% salt in our waters, which is kind of cool. I mean, the water we have is salt water. However, there are some fresh water around Earth, though. So let's go on to the planet. So Earth has life. We all know that. But it also has some deserts and greenery, and you all know about the Earth in general. And now we're going to tell you about Earth in general and its climate. So it takes 12 hours average for daylight hours on the Earth. And you want to know why seasons happen? Because of Earth's axial tilt, which is 23 degrees. And because of this, that's how we get our seasons and how we get our winters, summers, falls, and springs, all because of our axial tilt. However, if you notice about annular solar eclipses and total solar eclipses, it's because the annular solar eclipses happen at the closest point to its star, or very close, and the total solar eclipses happen when it's farther, because of its 5% eccentricity according to the game, but it could be less. Who cares? The inclination is 5 degrees, and here's some more status. Its Roche limit is 9,488 kilometers, which I didn't mention for Mercury and Venus. We can tell you now quickly. So Roche limit for Venus is 8,862 kilometers, and Roche limit for Mercury is 3,614 kilometers, and the Sun is 657,575 kilometers. So Earth, unlike Mercury and Venus, Earth has a moon. We all know that. So now we're going to be going to Earth's moon. So moon is the moon of the Earth, which takes 27 days for it to orbit our Earth and the same time to rotate. This is the reason why you can only see one side of the moon, because it is tidally locked to our Earth. The actual tilt is 6 degrees, meaning it has an actual tilt, unlike some of the procedurally generated moons I found in this game. Simulator. The gravity is a tenth of the Earth's gravity. The average temperature is actually colder than the Earth. Unlike the Earth's 11 degrees, this is negative 22. And it actually says 6 moons, meaning it actually has some moons in them. But we don't know why it says that, though, considering it's a moon of the Earth. It could be some satellites or asteroids. So we all say the moon is tidally locked. The ESI is 65, with Earth's ESI obviously just 1. It's the Earth. The moon's diameter is 3,472.48 kilometers, and that's all for the moon. And also, did you know about the Apollo 11 mission? We're going to be telling you about that in featured locations. Let's go to it. So here is the Apollo 11 lander on the moon. So this game has a location where you can find it. The Eagle has landed. It's the LM Eagle, a shuttle that landed on the moon in 1969 with the first astronauts to land on the moon. The Eagle has landed, and once Neil Armstrong came, he said, "One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." And here's the Apollo 11 lander on the moon. So that is the Earth and the Moon. If you want to see more content, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. And we'd like to thank you so much for watching. If I missed anything, you can let us know in the comment section. Adios!